So here we have the Land Rover Freelander. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off in the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see that we've got the tow bar, reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round, particularly for its age. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. You can also see the total miles for this car. They are 89,976. In the centre, we then have the main trip computer, and above that, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls out here, cruise control, and phone controls just there, which can only be used once you pair the phone up, of course, which is done over in the centre here. You can also see we have full colour satellite navigation available in this car. Directly below that is the main unit where, amongst other things, you can, of course, pair up your phone. You'll be able to access your CD and auxiliary input, your AM and FM radio. You can make changes down here to your bass, treble, balance and fader as well. Above this unit we can lock the car doors from the outside. We have our hazard warning lights. You can unlock them from here, so lock, unlock, and then you've got your parking sensors you can turn on and off as well. Below that we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the fan speed within the vehicle, the temperature for the driver, the temperature for the passenger, what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, and then when you're happy with those settings you can of course turn your air conditioning on and off or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking control of the direction of the air and fan speed. Any manual control will allow you to override that, and you can see your main air conditioning button just here with a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well, a heated driver seat with 2 heat settings and the same for the passenger side, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, in front of which you can make adjustments to your off-road controls. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.